First step is to go to your iPhone and tap on Settings. Now tap on your name here, okay, and then go to the iCloud option and tap it. Here you need to sync the data that you want to transfer to your PC to Windows, okay? So for example, if I tap on the Photos option here, you'll notice that the option to sync with the phone is enabled. You need to make sure this is turned on. Once you've checked here to see if the data is synced, if it's not, you enable it, then go to your PC and type iCloud into Google. We're going to access it so we can transfer the data. You can click on the first site that appears. It's the official one. Here, you go to the option to log in. And here you'll enter either your phone number or the email address for your iCloud account. Okay, I'm going to enter mine. Done, I've entered it. Once you've entered it, click on the arrow. Now you can click here on Continue with Password to enter your password. I'm going to type mine. Done. Click on the arrow here again to access. Notice that it's going to ask for authorization here. This authorization will appear on your iPhone. You'll click on Allow. Click on Allow. So on the PC, you'll see the terms and conditions. Scroll down, click on Accept, and then click on Accept again. And here you'll need to enter this code, okay? Type the code that appeared on your iPhone. I'll type it here. Done. They're going to ask here if you should trust this browser. If it's your own computer, that's fine. You can click on Trust, or you can also click on Not Now. I'm going to click on Trust here since it's my own computer, okay? It's my laptop, so there's no problem at all. I've left only the computer screen here, and you can scroll down, just keep scrolling. Here, for example, you'll look for the files you want to download. Notice that Photos already appears with some videos. I can click on Photos here. It will show the photos and videos you have on your iPhone. Basically, downloading is simple, folks. So you come here, click on the three dots, and here you'll have the option to download. Just click and it's already downloaded here. And you can do this with all the files you want, okay? Just choose the file and download it to your computer. I hope I was helpful. If I helped you, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.